Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to factorize polynomials or higher degree of polynomials, that is 3 greater than quadratic polynomials. So in this video, how to completely factorize. So when you factorize this type of question, you have this type of answer. So in order to get this type of answer, you have to the only way to get this s cube is to get multiply this by this by this. So the answer here is 1. So the only way to get s the 1, you have to multiply this and this. Also, the only way to get the last term here, that's minus 8, you have to multiply this times this times this. That is, they have plus minus p q r. So in order to logically, in order to get these factors, that is minus 8, we have to have the plus pqr has to be a factor of minus 8. So that is p, the value that we here, the value that we here, the value that we here, there will have to be a factor of it. That is, you have to be divisible by 8 without a remainder. So we have to get this. So we can have options of this, like it could be we have plus 1 minus 1. 1 is a factor of 8. So using this example, so it's a factor of 8. 4 is a factor of 8. 8 is a factor of 8. So this could be the possible answers for all this. So now to know which of this is, we have to look for which of them is a factor. And in previous video, reminder theorem can know the remainder of a division without actually solving it. That is, we are looking for a term that will give us f equals to 0. So just like a trial and error method, let's start with this. So that will be x plus 1 equals to 0. If you don't understand, just do here, check my previous videos. X plus 1 equals to 0. Using the method theorem, you have x equals to minus 1. Substitute them back into this. You have minus 1 cube, 1 square plus 14. So give us 1 now, plus 14 minus 1 minus 8. So you have minus 1, that was minus 7, minus 14, total minus minus 8. So this will give us 21, 29, that was minus 30. So this is obviously equals to 0. So minus x plus 1 is not a factor of this. So let's try the next one. Next one will be, since we've tried x plus 1, we'll try x minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 1 equals to 0, it has to be x equals to 1. So f of 1, then you have s cube, 1 cube minus 11, 1 square plus 14, 1, 8. So 1 minus 7, 14, 8. So this is what I give us 0. Right. So you establish that this x minus 1, is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So we could continue doing this, finding if this is a factor, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. So you can just check if x minus 2 equals to 0 is also a factor through this random theorem method. But to take our time, especially when we have a polynomial maybe greater than 4, or which the value has different factors, just 8 as just 4. What if we have number that has factors of up to 10. So instead of continuing with this, since you already know just a factor of it, you can now divide. You divide using the long division method. You can divide this now to get the other two factors. That is this and this. We've gotten one of them now, so you can now do that will be minus 8. That is they are divided by x minus 1. Since we know this is a factor now, so now to divide it, let's just get a new sheet to divide that. So we have that will be giving us x 1, so we can have enough space to divide it. So we should have an x. So here to show my I've shown how to divide my previous videos. So now to divide, we use the multiplication, division, subtraction. So you first, sorry, division before multiplication. Then I've done. So you first divide this by x. So you have x cubed divided by x. That will be x square. Multiply them back, x square. That's multiplication now. Minus x square. Subtract. Here you have nothing here. The idea is just eliminating the front row. Minus x squared minus minus. You have minus 6x squared. Just to give us plus, and then this comes down plus 14x. Right. Then you go through this method again. 6x squared minus divided by x. That will give us minus 6x. Minus 6x multiply again. You have minus 6x squared. Then minus 6x. Then this gives us plus 6. Right. X. So subtract again. So I'll give us, so will be eliminated. Then you have what, you know, you have 14 minus 6. So that was an 8x. Then this it will come down again. Then divide. This one give us an 8. So 8x 8. So we have a note of this both side. So this is the other factor of, so this can be written as now as equals to equals to this multiplied by this, right? Then we can now factorize this to finally get the three values. Since that's what we're expecting. We're expecting 3 because they have 3 numbers. So we can just factorize this separately. That will give us x squared x plus 8. What are the two numbers? I explained this in my previous video. You will check it. What are the two values that you multiply together and together gives this? That will be x minus 2x plus 4. Sorry, x minus 4. So these are the two values. I'll give you this. So your final answer for not to factorize this, then you bring this back. X minus 1, x minus 2. So completely factorize this. My videos will be showing more of this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.